Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Automobili Pininfarina Battista, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Green Speed series. Let me tell you something guys, this is really hard to find, and out of like 5 to 6 stores I got it to only one store. Luckily they had only one piece of it. I was able to get it. Okay, let's unbox it and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. The graphics looks really nice. I wish they actually had some kind of fiber for the lights, The paint is just taking away the coolness of this car. Wow, the top looks really nice. It looks like carbon fiber, but it is not. It's raining outside guys. I'm sorry if you're hearing a lot of water noises. It's raining for past couple of days here. Okay, even though the detailing is pretty good. It's not decent. It's okay. The detailings are okay. Let's see how it rolls. It rolls okay. It is not smooth. It's okay. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.